in this video, we shall learn how to find GCF or HCF of 30, 40 and 50. So before finding GCF or HCF, we should know what does GCF or HCF stands for. So GCF stands for greatest common factor and HCF stands for highest common factor. So here we shall learn to find GCF or HCF by two methods. First one by factorization method and second one by division method. So let's find out GCF or HCF by first method, which is factorization method. So while finding GCF or HCF by factorization method, you have to take the prime factors of all the numbers. So here numbers are 30, 40 and 50. Means that you have to take the prime factors of 30, 40 and 50 separately. So let's take the prime factors of 30 first. So it is 2 times 15 means 30, 3 times 5 means 15 and 5 times 1 means 5. Like as we take the prime factors of 40. So it is 2 times 20 means 40, 2 times 10 means 20, 2 times 5 means 10 and 5 times 1 means 5. So like as we take the prime factors of 50 also. So it is 2 times 25 means 50, 5 times 5 means 25 and 5 times 1 means 5. So as you look here, we have taken the prime factors of 30, 40 and 50 separately. So second thing we have to do is from prime factors we can write 30 is equal to 2 multiple 3 multiple 5 from here. Like as from here we can write 40 is equal to 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 5. Like as from here we can write 50 is equal to 2 multiple 5 multiple 5. So we have written the factorizing elements of all given numbers 30, 40 and 50. So we are finding here GCF of HCF. So while finding GCF or HCF by factorization method, you should keep in mind is GCF or HCF is the product of all the common elements. Means that after finding out the prime factors or factorizing elements, second thing we have to do is take the common elements. So common elements is equal to 2 is present in all these three numbers. So 2 becomes our first common element. Like as 3 is present in only first element. Like as 5 and 5. So 5 is present in all these three number prime factors. So 5 become our second common element. So here 2 and 5 are common elements. So we can write common element is equal to 2 and 5. So GCF of HCF, as you know, is the product of all the common elements. Have common elements are 2 and 5. So product of 2 and 5 is equal to 10. So in this GCF of HCF of 30, 40 and 50 is 10. So in this way you can find out the GCF of HCF by prime factors method. The first thing you have to do is take the prime factors of all the elements. Second thing, write the factorizing elements of all the common elements. Third thing, take the common elements. And fourth thing, take the product of common elements. So it is simple. So like as now we learn to find GCF of HCF of 30, 40 and 50 by division method. So while finding GCF of HCF by division method, you have to divide the greater number with the lesser number and you have to keep dividing until there is no remainder at last. So look here, let's take two elements which is 30 and 40. So 40 is the greater number which is divided with lesser number 30. So it is 30 times 1 means 30 and at last here is 10 remainder. So here remainder comes 10. So you have to divide the 30 which is divisor with 10. So it is 10 times 3 means 30. So look here, there is no remainder. So divisor containing no remainder becomes the GCF of HCF. So in the case of 30 and 40, the GCF will be 10. So like as, let's check it out for 40 and 50. So 40 is the lesser number which divides the greater number 50. So it is 40 times 1 is, it is 40, and 50 minus 40 is 10. So as you look here again comes the remainder 10. So means we have to again divide the divisor, which is 40, with remainder 10. So 10 divides 40. So 10 times 4 means it is 40. So as you look here, there is also no remainder. So look here, 10 is taking no remainder at last in the case of 40 and 50. Like as in the case of 30 and 40, 10 again taking no remainder. So that we can write GCF of HCF is equal to 10. So in this way, you can find out GCF of HCF by division method. All you have to remember is you have to keep first of all divide the greater number with the lesser number, and when the remainder comes, then you have to again divide the divisor with remainder and keep dividing until there is no remainder at last. So as you look here in result, in division method GCF is 10, like as in factorization method GCF is 10. So that we can write GCF of HCF of 30, 40 and 50 is 10. So what does it mean that the GCF of HCF of 30, 40 and 50 is 10? So it means that 10 is the only greatest of the highest number which can exactly divide 30, 40 and 50 at the same time. There is no other number greater than 30, 40 and 50. So there is no other number greater than 10 which can exactly divide 30, 40 and 50. There may be lesser number than 10 which can exactly divide 30, 40 and 50. But there would be no greater number than 10 which can exactly divide 30, 40 and 50. It shows that. So this much for today. And if you have any question, the question may be from your book, from your tuition homework, from your school homework, or simply you have any question or any doubt regarding science and math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of a question with clear explanation. So thank you.